So today we'll be starting with chapter number 5 of class 12th, that is surface chemistry. So basically in this chapter first we'll have to understand certain terms. So the first term is adsorption. So let us see what is adsorption. So for example, I have a solid surface present. Let this be a solid surface. And let us say around the solid surface, there are certain particles present. You can say them to be gas particles, or let me say them to be a molecular species. Fine. So this is a solid surface. So what can happen is this solid surface can attract these molecular species. So when I say that this solid surface will attract the molecular species, this is done by forming forces of attraction. That means these gas particles or molecular species will form force of attraction with this surface of solid. Now when these gas particles form forces of attraction with the solid surface, what happens is they get accumulated onto the surface of solid. So this accumulation of the molecular species or the gaseous particles in this example which I have taken, so this accumulation of molecular species or gaseous particles on the surface of solid, right, is called as adsorption. So basically the particles are just getting adhered or attached on the surface. They are not entering inside the surface. So this is what is adsorption, when particles get adhered or attached on the surface and they do not enter inside the surface. Fine, they are just present on the surface.